Is this the best induction cooktop? This cooktop does look like many of the 36-inch induction cooktops you can buy in the market, except for 3 unique features. The last one will blow you away, and that's not an exaggeration. The center burner is a 9-inch, 7,000 watt element, which is the hottest in the industry, over 3,000 watts more than the average. So if you want to boil fast or have a large pot, this burner will heat it quick. Cooktop also features 2 flex zones on either side. Like most competitor brands, you can bridge on both sides for a griddle or odd-sized pan, or boost them if you want more power on the front. The second key feature is the control panel, a 7-inch touchscreen. Maybe you're afraid of an LCD touch, but don't be, because this unit makes control simple. From bridging the 2 burners to setting the power levels and controls. The screen is responsive and easy to use. You even have a pause button should you have to answer the door or get away from the cooktop. Hit pause and then resume to automatically return to the same settings. Now be prepared to be blown away. This cooktop can do something truly unique and answer the internet's most popular induction question. Are my pans induction compatible? This cooktop can do that and even tell you if your pans are any good. Hold down the top left-hand side of the button on any burner, put the pan on the burner will not only tell you if they're induction compatible, but how much ferrous content is in them. A higher percentage of ferrous metal means the pan will respond better to the magnetic induction burners and cook faster, more consistently. The manufacturer is SKS, the premium line of LG, one of the most reliable brands sold at Yale based on over 37,000 service calls. You don't even need to buy an extended warranty because SKS comes with 3 years complete. Price is $41.99, a bit on the expensive side, but it is in line with the premium units like Thermador Liberty and the Miele unit, but they don't have the same features as the SKS. If you want to see how SKS compares with the other best induction cooktops, click this link, and thanks for watching.